Hi, my name is Tammy and I am the Retail Originations Manager here at Suncoast Credit Union. You know, when you're in mortgages, it's not just a mortgage. You're meeting people, you're talking to people, and it's always something new every day. Even though it may be the same product, it's always different. When people apply for a mortgage, typical documentation that we ask for are income and assets. So your income, your W-2, 2 years, 30-day most recent pay stub, and 2 months of your bank statements, and that's typical. The difference between a pre-qualification and a pre-approval is a pre-qualification is just a conversation. I'm going to sit down with you, talk to you, ask you some questions, and manually calculate what you may qualify for in a mortgage. A pre-approval is when you actually sit down and take an application. The only thing you will not have is a contract to purchase a new home. But we will ask you those same questions as we would in a pre-qualification. The difference is we will pull credit on a pre-approval, so we're getting a better picture of your borrowing capabilities. Private mortgage insurance is something that's also going to be required on your mortgage if you're putting less than 20% down. And that is insurance that covers the lender in case the borrower defaults on their loan. Typical closing costs, they vary based on loan amount. The average is anywhere from 2.8% to 3.2% of your loan amount. When I'm asked the question of, how do you prepare, what should you do when you're looking to buy your first home, sit down and look at your budget and ask yourself, what can you realistically afford in a mortgage? And then at that point, see what's out in your market. Where do you want to live? Do you want a house? Do you want a condo? With condominiums and some homes, depending on where they're at in townhomes, there's homeowners association dues. And those are also going to be factored in, and sometimes we don't realize that in the beginning. So I would say sit down, look at your budget. What can you qualify for realistically? What do you feel comfortable with paying in a mortgage payment? And then contact your lender. Contact us at Suncoast Credit Union, and we'll be happy to sit down with you. We walk you through the process.